The first one is a mobile shredder truck for $750,000. On top of that, there was a delivery fee and sales tax. So we need to get that entered. And then we also have a stationary shredder that was also purchased for $35,000. And again, taxes, delivery fees, how do we account for all that? We're going to use a journal entry to remove the money from the bank or the checking account. Maybe there was a wire transfer or something like that. And then we will fund the value of these assets and show you how to enter all the delivery and everything else. So I'm going to go to the journal entry feature in QuickBooks Online by clicking plus new and journal entry. All right, these pieces of equipment were purchased on February 28th. The first thing that happened is money came out of the checking account. So I'm going to put in checking. And the money out for this first piece of equipment is $750,000 for the initial, for the asset itself, and that's the mobile truck. I'm going to hit the plus sign and do a formula right in this field. I'm going to add $5,000 for the delivery plus $1,500 for sales tax. So the total for that particular vehicle, the shredder vehicle, is $756,500. So that's money coming out of the bank account. Now we're going to account for the actual, where's it going? Where's the money going? Well, we purchased a shredder truck, and we have that on the chart of accounts already, and this is the original purchase. So you can see it's a sub account under the mobile shredder truck. So I'm going to choose that in there as a debit. Now I'm also going to capitalize the sales tax portion of this. So I'm going to put the original purchase of the stationary mobile shredder truck. There it is. You see how you can type in QuickBooks Online and it does a nice little search. So this is the correct one, original purchase. I'm going to capitalize the $1,500 of sales tax. And then I am going to write off, we do not, so I'm going to go ahead and add it. Again, you can add things on the fly while you're working. Don't have to leave here and go to the chart of accounts. I'm going to add an expense, and I'm just going to put this to other because I don't have a delivery detail type here. So delivery expense, save and close that. And this is the delivery charge. So now I basically have to duplicate that same process for the stationary shredder that we also purchased. So same idea. This was a different transaction coming out of the bank, but it was the same day, so I'm okay putting it in on February 28th. So first of all, the checking account. What did we pay here? Well, it was $35,000 plus, and I'm using the plus sign right on my keyboard, $500 for delivery plus $700 for sales tax. And I'm hitting tab to do the calculation. So this is stationary shredder. And then let's split this out. First of all, I'm going to do the shredder itself. So I'm going to just start typing stationary shredder and go on to the original purchase. There it is. So again, $35,000 for that. Then I'm going to go to the same account, stationary shredder. There we go. Stationary shredder, original purchase, and we're going to do the $700 in taxes, capitalize that as part of the asset, and then delivery charge, and that was $500. Here, I'm going to change this to sales tax and change this description to delivery charge. I always like to put descriptions in as if somebody else who has never seen these books before will know exactly what this is. So in 5 years, if somebody's looking at these books, they have absolutely every bit of information they need to decipher what this journal entry was all about. I would also have probably attached the purchase agreement or something like that. So you have backup for this as well. So again, I just decided to write off delivery expense. The accountant may have wanted you to write off sales tax. Completely up to the accountant giving the instruction here. It's okay to ask. So I capitalized it, but it could be that the accountant might be asking for something else. That is basically how to get that original purchase of these two pieces of equipment in here.